A fired heater within a CCR reformer unit in Oman was showing severe roof hotspots caused by refractory failure. A full shutdown would have resulted in major production loss. IGS performed an online Hot-Tek refractory repair, installing replacement refractory through pre-engineered access points. The work prevented a unit shutdown and restored the furnace to normal condition. The repair remained intact through the next planned outage, confirming its long-term durability. Reliability restored, downtime avoided. That's asset vitality.